If you ever watched Korean movies or dramas, you have probably seen scenes where people drink bottle after bottle of soju. It looks intense, almost unbelievable. But is soju really that strong? And are people actually drinking that much in real life? The answer is more interesting than it looks on screen. Soju is the most popular alcoholic drink in South Korea. It's clear, smooth, and usually served cold. You will often see it in small green bottles on restaurant tables. Modern soju is designed for social drinking. It's not meant to hit hard like vodka. It's meant to be shared slowly with food and conversation. One of the most famous soju brands is Jinro, which you will often recognize from under its green bottle. Soju is stronger than beer and usually stronger than wine, but much weaker than spirits like vodka or whiskey. Most modern soju is around 16 to 17% alcohol. That means you can drink it more slowly over a long evening. So when you see several bottles on the table, it doesn't mean people are drinking the equivalent of several bottles of vodka. It's closer to sharing wine over time. Soju bottles are small, much smaller than a wine bottle. In Korean drinking culture, people pour for each other. Glasses are small, drinks are shared. A table might go through several bottles over a long dinner, especially when there is food involved. Drinking is usually combined with eating, which slows down how fast alcohol is absorbed. So visually it looks like a lot, but in terms of total alcohol, it's often less extreme than it appears. In Korean movies and dramas, drinking scenes are often used to show emotion. Characters drink when they are stressed, heartbroken, or bonding with friends. The bottles become a visual symbol of emotional release. Shows like Itaewon Class or Crash Landing on You often use drinking scenes to show vulnerability, friendship, or pain. Just like in Western movies, these scenes are dramatized. Real life is usually calmer than what you see on screen. Traditionally, soju used to be much stronger than it's today. In the past, it could be closer to hard spirits. Over time, modern commercial soju became lighter. This made it easier to drink socially over long periods and with meals. Today, soju is designed for long conversations, not quick intoxication. So when you see people in Korean movies drinking many bottles of soju, it looks extreme. But it's not the same as drinking hard liquor. Soju is stronger than wine, weaker than vodka, and meant to be shared slowly with food and friends. Movies exaggerate the visuals for emotional impact. Real life is usually much more relaxed.